Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, as like before, today also we brought something special for you. Today's video is especially for your kids. We will share creative and inspiring tips for your home. Today's video is all about crochet baby mobile hangers. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your kids' baby mobile hangers. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also to find such type of more unique and outstanding video. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video. A crochet baby mobile hanger can be a charming and functional addition to a nursery, and it offers various benefits for both parents and babies. Here are some benefits of using a crochet baby mobile hanger. The first and the main one is handmade quality. Crochet mobile hangers are often handcrafted, which adds a personal, unique touch to the nursery. Customization. These hangers can be customized to match the theme and color scheme to the baby's room, adding a special touch to the decor. Eco-friendly. Being made from natural fiber like cotton or wool, crochet mobile hangers are an eco-friendly alternative to synthetic materials. Durability. Crochet items are known for their longevity. A well-made crochet mobile hanger can last for years and be passed down to other children. Safe and non-toxic. Unlike plastic alternatives, crochet mobile hangers are typically made from non-toxic materials, which is safer for babies. Gentle on baby's skin. The soft texture of crochet fabric is gentle on a baby's sensitive skin, unlike some other materials that might irritate. Encourages visual stimulation. The mobile can feature bright or pastel color crochet pieces that capture the baby's attention. Encourages visual tracking and stimulation. Shooting movement. Many crochet mobile hangers are designed to rotate slowly, offering shooting gentle motion that can help calm a fussy baby. Improves fine motor skills. As babies grow, they may try to reach